Hi, my beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you guys are good. Today, I'm sharing this coconut rice with grounded beef. And now we're going to start the cooking. And this is the grounded beef I'm going to be using. I'm just going to fry this without oil in my pot to get rid of this pinky. Fry it till it's brown. And as that is busy, I'm going to be blending garlic, ginger, and my peppers and onions. And this is the beef. I just added a piece of butter and coconut oil. Fry this together, pour in my spices and seasonings. You can use any spices and seasonings of your choice. Put it together to season and spice my meat up. Pour in sliced onions. Fry it 1 minute together. Just pour in my blended peppers and onions. And I'm going to fry this together just to loosen all those yummy in my pot from the meat. I'm using diced tomatoes, canned diced tomatoes. So I use 3 of those, just pour it in, put it together, and I'm going to let it cook. Good. So as that is busy, I'm going to be washing my rice. I'm not parboiling, just wash thoroughly. I'm using basmati. So, and this is my sauce. My sauce is completely ready. Yummy, and it's so delicious. I'm gonna be adding canned coconut milk. This coconut milk, I really love using it because it's so thick. Very thick. So if I don't use fresh, I just use this. Now pouring in my washed rice. Put it together, make sure the liquid, that's the sauce, is covering your rice. If not, you can add water or you add chicken stock if you have any. So that is it. Put it together. Now I'm gonna add kidney beans to it as well. This is completely optional. Add spring onions as well. This kidney beans is already cooked. It's canned kidney beans. So I put it together, cover, and let my rice cook till it's dry. My rice is dry now. The rice is still very hard, so I just add piece of butter, cover, and let it cook. So my rice is cooked. The butter has melted. The butter plus the heat, and you put your fire on low heat. Has cooked the rice. So my rice is yummy and it's ready. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. This rice comes out very yummy and delicious. You can enjoy this with fried meat, fish, chicken, whatever. Thank you. Bye.